Alright, what happens if you hire us, but 2 weeks later you find a line of ants marching across your kitchen counter? Do we charge you a hidden trip fee to come back? Absolutely not. At Open Range, we stand beside our ironclad Handshake Guarantee. If covered bugs return before your next scheduled service, so will we, for a targeted, free touch-up treatment to hold you over to your next service. Now, the Arizona desert is relentless. Brutal UV rays, or even a neighbor who doesn't do their own pest control, can occasionally disrupt your protective barrier. My general rule of thumb, if you see a bug, 1 is a fluke, 2 is a pattern, and 3 is a problem, and you should probably call us. But by the way, if you do see a dead cockroach laying on its back with his legs up in the air, that doesn't mean that there's a problem, and that just means that our product is working. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do, and we can't kill it again. We're not going to do a full property respray for a single dead cockroach, but if an actual problem breaks out through the barrier, we're going to touch it up for free. Our goal is 0 callbacks per year. If you find yourself needing multiple free touch-ups, we will honestly recommend upgrading to a more frequent program so that you get the peace of mind you deserve. To be fully transparent, there are a few exceptions. If you go bulldozing your yard into a swimming pool and that destroys the barrier, you're going to have to pay for a respray. And specialized issues like bees or bed bugs or termites or, God forbid, German roaches, those require entirely separate treatments, which we are licensed to handle, but they're not covered by your general pest control. But for your everyday Arizona pests, ants, crickets, cockroaches, spiders, and yes, even scorpions, if they come back, so do we, for free.